So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy USDC on KOHO Financial. So once the KOHO Financial app is opened up, I want you guys to go ahead to the bottom left, press on Home, and then on this top bar, press on Invest. And then where it says Explore Crypto in the middle here, press on that. It'll then bring you to the crypto page right here, the KOHO Crypto page, where if you go ahead to top crypto assets here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will come across USDC, but if it's not there for whatever reason, press on See All, and then you can either search it or scroll down again, but we're going to go ahead and select USDC. Once you're on this page right here, just go ahead and press on the Buy option. Then it'll bring you to this page where you have to go ahead and create an account to get approved to trade crypto. And once that is done, you can continue with the transaction this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy USDC crypto on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.